4th of July. Today I'm showing you how to make the most delicious and beautiful 4th of July cupcakes. To make them, I'm doctoring up Duncan Hines cake mix by substituting the oil with butter, the water with French vanilla creamer, and adding an extra egg. I'll also be showing you how to pipe the rosettes and designs with the specific cake tips I used. I'm demonstrating how to use this amazing cupcake butter spoon to get perfect cupcakes without the dome every time. The pink is for the mini cupcakes and the white is for the regular size cupcakes. All you have to do is fill the spoon and scrape off the cake batter. That's it. If you don't scrape off the cake batter, like right here, your cupcakes will be uneven. So I'm not scraping off the cupcake batter so you can see later on in the video how this particular cupcake will be bigger than the others. So what you want to do is fill up your spoon for regular size cupcakes using the white and scrape it off like this. That's it. And fill your cupcake liner. Follow the instructions on the back of the Duncan Hines cake box on how long to bake your cupcakes. Now let's get into the buttercream. This is a free, amazing, good American buttercream that I am going to show you. This is 2 cups of sea salted butter. This way I don't have to add salt later on to this recipe. So you want to blend your butter until it's white and fluffy. The recipe calls for 8 cups of powdered sugar, but I don't like my American buttercream that sweet, so I only add 6 cups of powdered sugar. You're going to blend your butter and sugar like this, 1 scoop at a time. Make sure you scrape off your bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 4 tablespoons of milk or water or creamer. I like to use French vanilla creamer. If my cakes or cupcakes will be sitting outside for an event, I add water. I will make sure I put the complete American buttercream icing recipe in the description box with the directions on how to make it. I know a lot of you get mad because I don't put the directions on how to make it because I show it in the video, but your buttercream needs to look like this, stiff, not runny. You never have to worry about this particular American buttercream being runny or anything like this. You need your buttercream to be stiff. Right now I am going to color this American buttercream red, but first I like to use pink to get it pink first, and then add Hobby Lobby's Super Red Gel Food Coloring. This is a good American buttercream for beginners because you do not have to worry about your buttercream not being right. It tastes good and it pipes really good. So you will be able to make your rosettes, your shells, your leaves, whatever you need to make perfectly. This is a coupler, a clear coupler that I will use. Now you use a coupler if you're going to use the same cake tip but different colors of American butter icing. So use a coupler, put it in the bag. You want to cut the tip at the first line of your coupler. And once you cut this tip, you want to throw this piece of plastic right away because you do not want this plastic to end up in your buttercream. Fill your bag. I like to use my hand as a cup and fill my bag with the buttercream because it's much easier for me. Or you can get a cup and just put your bag over the cup and open it up that way. But this is much easier. Squeeze your buttercream down. Go ahead and push all your buttercream down. And you can use a tie to tie at the top of your bag, or you can just twist your bag. Right now, this is just placing the cake tip. So if I want to change colors, all I have to do is take off my tip. So this is me putting on the tie like this. And I will do this for each color. To get the blue that I used for my 4th of July blue candy apples, I will use the same colors. This is cake tip, a basic cake tip 1M that I will be using for the white buttercream. And look at that cupcake, that bigger cupcake. You see how all of them are even except for that one cupcake. So when you're using that little cupcake spoon, make sure you scrape your batter off. And this is the 1M. I'm just squeezing down my buttercream. I usually don't put a tie on. I usually just twist mine around. Squeeze and go around. That's all. You squeeze it up and go around. Squeeze, kind of lighten up and go around and make your rosette. These are shells. It's going to take practice to make your shells. You just go up and make that shell like that. Again, it will take practice to get the shells, but the rosettes, you may need practice, but you'll be good if this is your first time. So you'll be proud of yourself if you make these for the first time. Now with this red, it doesn't have the number on it, and that's one thing that I do not like about cake tips. Do not buy cake tips without the number. Now this blue is the 2D that I am using, and I'm making my rosette the same way I made my white. Just squeeze and rotate going around. I'm making them smaller. I'm thinking as I go, how am I going to design the cupcakes? It's just something that I do as I go. Now I am making stars with the white buttercream. Just squeeze, let up, squeeze, let up. So with the white buttercream 1M, the blue 2D, the red doesn't even have a number on it. Avoid, if you can, avoid buying cake tips without the numbers, because you don't know what the number will be when you want to reference or go back to it. It is a closed star tip, so if you want to look for a closed star tip, a big closed star tip, it makes it'll make the same design pretty much. Squeeze, let up for the stars. Okay, now I am going to add some red and white sprinkles here. I'm going to add some more white stars to complete the cupcake look for the 4th of July. Now I am going to add some red and white sprinkles to complete the look and add some green leaves. This is using cake tip number 352. Squeeze, let up, and pull. Squeeze, let up, pull. Squeeze, let up, pull. If you think these are cute, let me know down in the comment section, and I'll do more cupcake tutorials in the future. If you have enjoyed this 4th of July cupcake tutorial, make sure you stay tuned to watch my next tutorials coming up right here on Candy Apple TV. I'll see you in a few seconds over in my next video.